Thousands of women are making money every day with these 5 side hustles. My name is Samira, and in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 side hustles for women to make $100 per hour. Let's get started. First, let's start with coaching and consulting. As someone who comes from a legal and financial background, I've seen firsthand how smart women turn their speaking skills into serious income. If you have expertise in fitness, business, relationships, career, or even personal finance, people will pay for your guidance. Think about it. When clients are stuck, they want clarity fast, and they're willing to pay $100 or more for a single session. If you're charging $100 per session and you coach just 10 clients in a month, that's $1,000. But if you're more ambitious and dedicate 5 sessions a week, that works out to 20 sessions in a month, which is $4,000. And the beauty of coaching is that it scales. Once demand grows, you can create group sessions, courses, or even digital products to multiply your income without trading every hour for money. Second side hustle is virtual assistants with a specialty. Now, a lot of people think virtual assistants are low-paying roles, but when you position yourself as a specialist, say in social media management, podcast editing, or email marketing, you immediately move into the $100 an hour range. Businesses pay a premium when they know their assistant is more than just an admin, but rather someone who directly impacts revenue. For instance, let's say you manage Instagram content for a brand. If you dedicate 10 hours in a month at $100 an hour, that's already $1,000. Add one more client and you've doubled it. With just 4 clients, you're looking at $4,000 a month while working flexible hours from home. Next side hustle for women in 2025 is freelance copywriting and content creation. As a lawyer, I know the power of words. They can win cases, and in business, they can win customers. Brands today are desperate for content that sells, especially in the era of AI, where the difference between generic writing and persuasive human writing has never been more valuable. A skilled copywriter can easily charge $100 per hour. For example, if you write a sales email for a business that brings in just a handful of new clients, your 1 hour of work could be worth thousands to them, so paying you $100 an hour is a no-brainer. Imagine writing 5 projects a week, each taking about 2 hours at $100 an hour. That's $1,000 a week just from writing, which scales quickly to over $4,000 a month. Side hustle number 4 is tutoring and teaching online. Platforms like Preply and even direct Zoom sessions allow women to charge high hourly rates for teaching English, mathematics, coding, or even creative skills like painting or piano. Parents and students are willing to pay $100 an hour for personalized one-on-one sessions, especially for high-demand subjects like SAT prep or coding boot camps. Think about this. If you teach just 5 hours a week at $100 an hour, that's $500 a week, which is $2,000 a month. And this isn't just limited to traditional academics. If you know how to use Canva, create TikTok ads, or edit videos, those are all skills you can package into high-paying online lessons. Finally, let's cover digital product creation, which is the most scalable side hustle of all. Instead of trading time for money, you create once and sell repeatedly. For example, women are creating digital planners, online courses, and even Canva templates that sell for $20 to $50 each. If you build a system where your digital product sells just 20 copies at $50 each, that's $1,000 without live work. When you calculate the value of the time it takes to set up, your hourly rate easily climbs above $100. Imagine spending 10 hours creating a product that goes on to generate $5,000 in sales over 6 months. That breaks down to $500 per hour of actual creation time. This is how side hustles transition from simple gigs to true wealth-building assets. In 2025, side hustles are more important than ever because the cost of living keeps going up and jobs are less secure. Depending on just one paycheck can be risky, but a side hustle gives you extra income, more freedom, and new skills you can use to grow. For professionals, side hustles are not only a way to make more money, but diversify your portfolio and create multiple income streams, which in turns create financial security and even build a path to long-term wealth. So here's the big takeaway. Whether you're freelancing as a copywriter, coaching, running a specialized virtual assistant service, tutoring online, or building digital products, each of these side hustles has the potential to bring in $100 an hour in 2025. The real secret is consistency. Start with one hustle, test your market, and scale up. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button because on Blueprint to Wealth, I'm sharing the smartest strategies to grow your income, manage your money, and build real financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. And let me know in the comments, which of these side hustles would you try first?